Good morning. So I just woke up and I have to start getting ready for classes. I've just been scrolling on social media and the usual of me not wanting to get up, but we gotta get ready, so I have to get up. Okay, let's get started. So now for a little quick outfit of the day. I have my earrings from the M Jewelers on, and so is all of my jewelry and this ring. I have my sunglasses from Princess Polly. My clip is from Amazon. My corduroy cardigan button down type of thing is from Forever 21. This shirt is from The Crypt. I hope I'm pronouncing that store right. Honestly, I'm gonna have to figure out if I am. Then these sand wash jeans are from Misguided, and then I have my analogs on. Since I usually don't always have time to eat, I'll usually go out to Dunkin' and just have my breakfast there. I'll get a coffee and a sandwich from the deli or something like that. So today I don't know what I want to get because I'm getting coffee later with my cousin, so I'm kind of just deciding on whether or not if I should just eat at home in my dorm since I still have a little bit of time, or just wait till I go out. But this is the end of my morning routine, and now I'm gonna just head out to class. And if you guys are wondering why I packed a bag, it's because this class I use my computer in the classroom because it's my digital tools class. So I'll be heading out there now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.